It's stressful. I know just what it's like. You've got no work, and you've got no money. So, what now? Well, you could spend the next few months or more struggling to get a job. But with the world currently facing some of the toughest times in history, competition is at an all-time high. So, the probability that you'll be in this same position months from now is a daunting reality, unless you do something about it and make a shift in your mindset. This opportunity is 100% free and can drastically change your life. It's certified and has paid out millions to members worldwide. You will see real proof and testimonials shortly. Life can be so different when you make an effort. Don't give up now, not ever. It's the dawn of a new day. So take a deep breath. Today, you can make a change. Working from home does not mean it's a holiday. It means actually working from home. It's definitely not as easy as it may seem. You have got to be committed. So if you're truly aiming to make real money online, you have got to give it 110%. No ifs, no buts, and no maybes. The key to being successful is focus and dedication. But you must have enough creative imagination to be innovative along your journey to success. Join the worldwide revenue generation, topglobalincome.com, and take a leap of faith with us today.